How to turn on avoid highways on Google Map. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to turn on avoid highways on Google Maps, simply launch the Google Maps application on your device. Make sure that you have updated and installed the latest version of Google Maps. Once you're on this Explore page, select the profile icon at top right corner of the screen and a menu pops up where you need to select Settings. Now on the Settings page of Google Maps, scroll down, locate Navigation Settings and open this option. Scroll down and then you need to locate Route Options section where you can see three options, that is avoid tolls, highways and fairways. Simply to turn on avoid highways, toggle the button on for avoid highways. Then it will help us to turn on avoid highways on Google Map. And this is how we do it. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.